how are we supposed to cook this thing?
Today is not the day to learn how to cook a turkey.
We probably should have done a test run.
This is about to be all bad. You are not being gentle with this turkey. It's gonna be all bruised.
Look at this. Like, look how it plumps up. That is crazy.
That's what it does to your butt. They use these on people's butts.
This is like Botox for the turkey. Turkey buttox.
Slip that buttox.
This is horrible.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you can tell that this is a non-invasive procedure. You can go back to work. Although you may get some side eyes from people who...
When you look like this.
Where your butt goes from looking like this.
To like... Child, please.
To looking like that.
Hater.
Don't be hating.
You want to get out?
All right.